In this video, we're going to arguably the most famous waterfall in Bali. It's the most famous because it's ultra picturesque and it has a water slide, but it's also infamous because it's known for scamming the tourists. So we're about to find out if it really is a scam waterfall and what you get for the high price you pay of 150,000 or 300,000 rupees. So we're gonna find this out. Join us in this video and let's solve this issue once and for all. And this is where you park the bike to register. Okay, so how does it work?
Hi.
Hello. Speak English?
Sure.
Sure.
So let me explain first.
Yeah. Moto?
Sure.
And she goes with the guide?
Yes.
Okay. Is it like a steep path or something?
I don't know, so it's easier for you to control your motorbike without me as the passenger.
Ah, okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Hello.
You go with me.
You taking her from me?
Just for a while.
Why? What did I do? What's your name, bro?
Dia ikut juga nyempung.
Ikut.
Gatik?
He's also sliding.
Okay, take care of her. Take care of her, okay? Shit. Oh, look at these views. Great, huh? God damn. Path is getting very narrow now. Oh shit, look at all the greenery here. You can tell it rains a lot. We came on a good day. It is not raining yet. Oh, now we're in a super steep but picturesque park. Oh shit. Shit. I think just the trail itself and the views already got my money's worth just from that. Yeah. Just park the bikes over there.
Okay.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Hey, this is cool. They have helmets as well. Okay. Oh, you give us shoes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Here. You can use. Your key. You can pay.
Kenapa harus pakai sepatu beli? Licin?
Biar nggak licin.
Oh.
The gear, cool. This is bike tires. It's really cold. Oh, it's so cold. That is cold. Yeah. Big one. Big one. No, keep them on. Protects your feet, yeah? Okay, hang on. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go, ladies. Coming out. Oh, it's so deep here.
That one looks dangerous.
It's surprisingly not. Me. What did I do to you? No! 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Oh.
Oh, that was really fun.
Holy shit.
Woo!
That's really good. Again.
Again!
It was faster with the two of us.
Yeah!
Okay. Oh.
Alright, princess.
All right, princess. She called me strong princess.
Yay!
Why?
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
That's so much fun.
It's actually a lot of fun. So these are the devices that you ride, and as you can see, let's inspect the construction here. It's a bike tire, like a Moto bike tire, wrapped with Moto bike tubes, as you can see here. That's what you hang on to. The Moto bike tubes is what you sit on, and is what you hang on to. Yeah. You made these, yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
By hand.
By hand? Oh my god. Good job, yeah? Good work. Oh shit. I know what he's doing. He's gonna move it and then it's gonna go with the water. What up, bro? Hello, 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 hello. She shot. Okay, now we got a really good super shot.
Let's go.
Oh shit. Oh. Okay, so when they move the board, it unleashes a lot of water. Okay, yeah. Okay, ready?
Go.
Yeah. Oh shit! Woohoo! Woohoo! Let's go in.
This is gonna be 3 of us going there.
3? Yes. Oh my god! What do we call this? The Boule Local Express. Let's go. Oh. Okay, we all set?
Yeah.
Everybody ready?
Yay! That's it.
Oh shit! No! I'm not on! Oh shit! I fell off. Oh!
That is really fast.
Oh! I fell. Okay, that hurt.
That hurt?
My ass.
Oh, it's gonna turn blue tomorrow.
Oh my ass. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, let's go.
This way, yeah?
I just rode the rocks on my ass and it wasn't that bad. It's pretty smooth, not gonna lie.
You're screaming.
Just realized that I have this nice burn mark here, and of course Ruth here never told me that I'm burned. I have the perfect redneck burn. What the hell, Ruth? Look at her, she's like laughing, she's like giggling. I'm like, so we'll end it here. So was it worth the money?
For me, yeah.
For her, yeah. She got the local price, so. Ooh, big bug. Well, we're in the jungle, so what do you expect? But yeah, I'd say did about an hour or so worth of water sliding. Paid about 300,000 rupee for the both of us. 200 for me, 100 for her, because she's local-ish. So, and so yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next.